Yeah, I told him if they were to win, to pick me to fight, because just to get my experience up, and I just thought that if you leave it for too long fighting, you might lose that zoning kind of that we were in on the first day.
About time I, stepped into wharea tū mātoenga. I come here to whawhai. That's the main thing I come here for, was to whawhai and get a better experience. He's young, he's fit, so I can't underestimate him. Hopefully karo enough to get clean shots in, fast, accurate, no words of warning. Just kia kaha kas, go hard. We're here whawhai too, and I wouldn't have it any other way. We're from the same whare, and I wouldn't lose to anyone else.
Patience is the key. That's what I learned in boxing anyways. And just to breathe and give oxygen to your brain and let them think. Watch out, man, because it's going to be all guns blazing. Out there to kill. So watch out.
Well, I commend them first and foremost for getting into the ring. Joel for stepping up to the plate. Warren for accepting the challenge.
Hope they both do well, but heading towards Joel.
Very hardcore. They're both excellent fighters. Very, very quick, the little fella.
Round 1 of 4, 2-minute rounds. Both TOA are fighting strong. Warren showing strong attacks on Joel. Joel chooses to taunt his opponent, and Warren replies. Joel delivers a strong jab to the face of Warren. A very strong start to the fight by both TOA. Who will survive Te Papa Hororaka? Round 1 between Warren and Joel saw both TOA come out fighting strong.
Man, I'll tell you what, pretty electrifying, eh? It's pretty crazy. The atmosphere's pretty crazy.
Mohena para huti ngā wāwai Warren. Engari te aho nei e pakari ake Josh and Maro.
Joel the Giant and Warren Arawiri. You know, history has foretold.
Yeah, these little fellas getting held a bit of tricks in.
Round 2. Nice spinning counter-attack from Warren.
TOA! Piro! TOA! Siguna tawa he kare! Piro! TOA! Piro! TOA! Piro! TOA!
Joel uses his height to change his attack. And again while leaping.
TOA!
Warren scores another point before the end of round 2.
Not bad.
I couldn't call that one. I couldn't call it.
I reckon Warren's up on points right now. I reckon he would have taken the first round, the second round, and I think Joel's going to come back a third and fourth.
Ai sora empingi. Kis emping o the top.
Pa, kōrua tai. Kia kaha kia mai. Ma o tūpuna, kai rungi o kōrua pohi. E tiaki ia kōrua, tō whānau kei ta kāinga. E kia kaha kōrua.
Ohanga tua toru. TOA!
The TOA begin round 3 with one TOA slightly ahead on points.
Piro! TOA! Wahe! Piro! TOA!
Kia kahara, kia kahara.
Piro! TOA! Piro! Kōrua ki kōnei. TOA! Piro! TOA! Piro! TOA! Wahe! Piro! TOA! Piro! TOA! Come on! Wahe! Piro! Kina pātu!
End of round 3 with some convincing attacks from both TOA.
Ano te ahu nei, me mea kaha koe ki te karo, tika katoa karo i ngā wāhanga o te tinana. Horo rawa tō o whakautu o pāwa. Ka riro ia koe ngā maka, ngā kaute.
Joel has been training with the boys here, so I think, kei reira te wana. Yeah, ka riro ia him, Joel.
Tū toa. Hope the fight's going good. And kia kaha. Mauri toa.
O tēnei nā, ko Joel tērā. Nā tōna rahi, tai e ia ki te whātoro atu, tōna ringa. Kai e ia tōna.
Tēnei taua hanga whakamutunga.
A quick salute from Warren to his opponent. Fourth and final round. Who will win this fight and continue on with the rest of the Kāhui TOA? Who will not be so lucky and end the journey at this level? Both TOA have shown great stamina and fighting skills. This is proving to be a very close fight.
Kia wana. TOA!
Due to a good defense from Warren, Joel is unable to score.
Piro! TOA!
A quick attack from Warren.
Tahi miniti taina.
Tahi miniti.
Tua! Tahi miniti.
1 minute remaining, and both Toa need to score as many more points as they can to win. Warren continues with the attack.
Piro! Tua!
Warren takes a blow to the face.
Tua!
And another as the fight comes to an end.
Better on edge, you know. My opponent got a few quick strikes in, you know, it woke me up a little bit. But, you know, if I could do it again, I would.
Then he started getting me in the second, third and fourth, and I was kind of, woo, I shouldn't have, do you call it, bursted in the first rounds. I should have saved myself a bit more.
Wama, ka tahi rā te pakanga nui ko tērā. Anō nei, I roto anō hoki ahau I te ua whawhai, I rongo nei ahau I te kaha o ngā patu. Tino pau ana te kaha I a kōrua I tēnei rangi. No reira, ka nui te mihi ki a kōrua e ngā toa. Anō reira, ko te toa, ka puta. I tēnei o ngā taumata tātai rākau. Kei tōku taha maui, ko Joel. Hongi, te tau ai te rongi.
Thank you for the fight, helping me grow. I'll fight for you in the near future anyways. So I'll see you soon.
I haven't lost. I've won. I won by coming here. I'm happy.
But I'm mixed emotions because I won, but I feel kind of sad that he's going. Lost quite a good fella there, but yeah, show goes on.
To the toa in Aotearoa, if you think you've got it, don't kōrero teko, get off your nono and come, bring it. To the toa that are left, go hard, stay hard, or go home.
Maui Productions.